Tired of training sessions that feel more like monologues than learning? It's 2025. Training should energize, not exhaust. Meet Airmeet, the engagement-first platform that turns learning and development into an experience. Post-onboarding sessions with breakout rooms that spark real conversations. Launch live polls, quizzes, and leaderboards that keep learners engaged. Capgemini hosted L&D and onboarding initiatives with over 3,500 registrations and achieved a remarkable more than 99% attendance rate. Whether it's town halls, leadership workshops, or compliance training, Airmeet makes it scalable, measurable, and unforgettable. Get detailed analytics, capture instant feedback, improve every session, every time. With Airmeet, L&D teams don't just deliver content, they create transformation. Ready to level up learning? Book a demo today or start your free trial.